Hi everybody! Today I'm talk about my homework, my pronunciation. Animal, animal. Answer, answer. Company, company. Develop, develop. Improve, improve. Event, event. Education, education. Exchange, exchange. Experience, experience. Effect, effect. Motivation, motivation. Belief, belief. Attention, attention. Balance, balance. Doctor, doctor. About, about. Canada, Canada. Afraid, afraid. Elephant, elephant. Develop, develop. 11, 11. Invest, invest. Intensity, 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 intensity. Important, important. Robot, robot. Introduce, introduce. Carrot, carrot. Curriculum, curriculum. Focus, focus. Unhappy, unhappy. Thank you for your attention.